Surgery with Brooklyn. First, I'm gonna teach you how to throw a card.
Yeah. No, we're not doing that.
Just watch. Most people can't throw a card like me. Let's see if I can get it.
No, you're wasting all
Just
the
let me
space.
see if I can get it this time, okay?
We're not putting that on YouTube. It's my account.
Did you see that or did you see that? Now back to Brooklyn.
She broke her arm.
She broke her arm. Let's see this. She's gonna need serious surgery for this one. Let's rip all the guts out. Yeah.
Shut the TV off!
Okay. Don't need to yell though. Like we're in a major surgery. Here you go. Take the car. Take the camera. 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 Take the freaking camera.